Welcome to the heart of Acino's UAE manufacturing site, a leading-edge facility in Dubai dedicated to producing high-quality pharmaceuticals. Today, we invite you to explore the intricate process behind our operations, ensuring precision and excellence in every step. As we delve into the intricacies of our manufacturing process, let's start with an overview of our state-of-the-art facility. Our manufacturing equipment, sourced from leading European suppliers, adheres to the stringent compliance standards, guaranteeing the highest levels of quality and safety. We take pride in our international accreditations from EU GMP, GCC, SFDA, and MOHAP, underscoring our commitment to global pharmaceutical standards. Now, let's take a closer look at the meticulous steps involved in our manufacturing process, starting from the receipt of materials. Raw materials, carefully sourced from around the globe, arrive at our warehouse. Utilising a barcode system linked to SAP, we ensure real-time tracking and transparency in material status. Before being incorporated into our processes, each material undergoes thorough testing and approval by our dedicated quality control team. Our quality control team samples raw materials in specialised sampling booths equipped with reverse laminar airflow. This controlled environment ensures the integrity of the sampling process. Once sampled, tested and released, materials are ready for the dispensing stage. This is where qualified personnel dispense raw and packaging materials according to the approved bill of material. Transitioning to the granulation process, let's explore wet granulation and dry granulation. In wet granulation, raw materials undergo a series of steps, including sifting to remove extraneous matter, if any, wet mixing to form granules, and then drying the wet granules, all within a closed-loop system. Dry granulation involves sifting, roll compaction to create powder ribbon, milling the ribbon to form granules, and the blending, all of which collectively lay the groundwork for the subsequent tablet compression phase. Tablets come to life with the assistance of compression machines sourced from Bosch and Fette. These advanced machines are designed to meticulously manage the quality attributes of the products. The tablets then undergo a thorough metal detection and dedusting process, ensuring the final products are entirely free from metal contaminants and loose powders. Our capsule filling machines demonstrate versatility by accommodating powders, pellets, and tablets, also equipped with in-process control and rejection systems. The tablet coating machine, with interchangeable pans and a wash-in-place system, can handle various coating processes, including aqueous, organic solvent-based, and sugar coating processes. Our fully automated blister packaging line ensures the secure package of products, including both hot and cold form blisters. The secondary packaging line incorporates an online check weigher, serialization, and shipper aggregation, all contributing to a meticulous quality assurance process. Before our products leave the facility, they undergo thorough testing in our quality control lab. Using advanced liquid and gas chromatography instruments, as well as specialised equipment for reptiles, inhalers, aerosol and injectables, our skilled team ensures that every product meets the specified quality parameters. Finally, as we approach dispatch, serialised batch data is uploaded to the UAE's track and trace portal, and pallets are carefully verified before loading onto delivery vehicles. Thank you for joining us on this immersive journey through Acino's UAE manufacturing site.